Hello and welcome back to Get Great at Maths. I'm here to help you pass your maths exam, so hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to look at keywords, key formulas and how to gain top marks. So let's get ready to get great at maths. This is a question on translation, and you're told that you've got 3 translations on a coordinate grid, and you have got to tick the translations that are 4 units to the left. Okay, so that is 4 units to the left. That's the key bit of information here. From 02 to 42, 68 to 28, and from -3 to 5, or to -7, and this will give you 1 mark in the exam. Now, the word translation basically moves 1 point or 1 coordinate to another by moving up and down or left and right, and in this case we're only looking at moving left. So you need to look at these initial coordinates and think, if I move it 4 to the left, do I end up with these answers here on the right? If so, give it a tick, and if not, you don't need to tick it. Now, I would recommend drawing a diagram if you're really struggling on visualizing what is going on, and I'm going to show you how it works by visualizing. Some people will be able to look at that and just know the answers and just be able to work it out in their head. Other people will need the diagram to help them. The next key bit of information here is that you need to know which direction left is. So you need to know by looking at a mark on your hand, or just by putting your fingers up and you can see the L on your left hand to know that is your left hand. Whatever helps you remember which is your left hand and which is your right hand, you need to know the difference between left and right. So left will go to this side here, going towards the question number 26, which is your left. So this is left going this direction here. So have a go at thinking about the answer. Press pause, work out which one of these statements is correct, and then press play when you're ready to hear the answer. Fantastic. Now the question does say tick the translations. So you're likely to be ticking more than 1 translation. So just think about that. You're likely to have to tick 2 of these answers, not necessarily 1. So we're going to start off by drawing a grid out. So here is my axis, my x-axis and my y-axis, and we're going to start by plotting the coordinate 0, 2. Remember, we go 0 crossing the x-axis, so we start at the point 0, 0. I don't go anywhere in the x-axis, and I go up 2, and I'm going to put a cross at this point here, 0, 2. The next coordinate is 4, 2, so I'm going to come across 1, 2, 3, 4, and up 1, 2, and this is my next coordinate. And we've got to tick whether it is a translation of 4 units to the left. So I started off with this one here, and I went 1, 2, 3, 4 across. It has translated by 4 units in the x-axis, but we started at this point here and moved right 4 spaces. We didn't move left 4 spaces. So the first one we leave blank. It wasn't the first one. The next coordinate is the coordinate 6, 8. So I start at 0, 0 again. I go along the corridor, which is 6, up the stairs, which takes me to 8. This is my second coordinate. My next one is 2, 8. So I go across 2 and I come up 8, which is my second coordinate. If I start on the first coordinate and go 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left, I end up with the second coordinate here, 2, 8. So it has been translated by 4 units for this one here. So give yourself a big tick if you got that one correct. The next one is from -3, 5. So we start at 0, 0 again, and we go -3 in the x-axis, and then we go up 5. Takes me to this coordinate here. And the next one goes across -7 and up 5 again. So I started off here and I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4 to the left. I've ended up with that new one. So this one is also correct. So give yourself a tick in this box here. You should have ticked the bottom 2 boxes. These are both 4 trans units to the left. A unit basically means 1 square. So don't be put off by this word unit. It just means 4 squares to the left. If you got that correct, great work. You've done really well. Fantastic. The mark scheme on this question shows the 2 bottom boxes were the ones you were meant to tick for 1 M, which means 1 method mark. If you found this video useful, please share, like and subscribe so we can all get great at maths. Remember, tell your friends. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Please follow Get Great at Maths on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook and X. What do you want to see next on Get Great at Maths? Please comment below. See you next time.